Every so often, a watch comes along that resets the bar for value. For around $136, the Milifortic M111 isn't just a good homage to a classic German pilot watch. After a week on my wrist, it's clear this is in a different league. Quick transparency note before we go further. This watch was sent to me by Milifortic for review. However, they had no input on this video, no approval rights, and everything you'll hear is based purely on my own experience and honest opinions. If you see anything you like in this review, I've left a link to the watch down in the description below, so you can check the current price for yourself. So is this one of the best value in field watches today? Let's get into it. The M111 is a homage to the now discontinued Sinn 856 B-Uhr, which was a great tool watch with a serious price tag. Here is what you get in the package. It arrives in a decent protective case, and inside you'll find a microfiber cloth, your warranty card, and they even include a spring bar tool. Pulling the M111 out of the box, the 316L stainless steel case feels solid and exceptionally well machined. It comes in at a nearly perfect 39mm diameter, with a compact 45.7mm lug-to-lug and an 11.8mm thickness, including the sapphire crystal. Those proportions make it wear beautifully. The entire case is finely brushed, and sleek crown guards protect a signed, screw-down crown, giving you a very capable 100 meters of water resistance. On the back you get a simple stainless steel screw-down case back with no engraving. Personally, I'm completely fine with that. I'd much rather see them cut costs here than compromise on build quality anywhere else. Moving to the face, the M111 has a flat sapphire crystal with an effective anti-reflective coating. The clarity is very good. I've seen Swiss brands that cost 5 times as much with worse AR. The dial is a masterclass in legibility. It's a Type B Flieger, with minutes on the outer track and hours in a smaller inner ring. Milifortic made a few smart improvements, looming all the Arabic numerals, markers, and all 3 hands. To give you a better real-world reference, I'm going to show it next to my Hamilton Murph. Side by side, you can see how similar the wrist presence is and how clean the dial remains under the same light. The crystal on the Milifortic controls reflections very well. Considering the price difference, it holds up surprisingly well and doesn't feel out of place at all. Another impressive detail for me on this watch is the hand alignment. The seconds hand perfectly hits every single marker all the way around. The minute and hour hands are perfectly aligned. That's a level of quality control that is somewhat rare at this price point. So, their attention to detail in this case is really good. A pilot watch needs good lume, and the M111 delivers by looming every marker and all 3 hands. The initial brightness is great. It seems they applied Japanese C3 lume. However, due to what seems like a thin application, that torch-like glow fades within few minutes to about an hour. It remains legible in darkness for a couple of hours after, but the longevity isn't at the level of a Seiko diver. For the price, the fact that everything is loomed is still a huge plus. Inside is the perfect engine for this watch, the Seiko NH38. This is a true workhorse movement, known for being robust and reliable. The key feature is that it's a true no-date movement, meaning no ghost date position when you pull out the crown, a detail purists love. Seiko's official spec is a conservative -20 to +40 seconds a day, but my real-world testing has been astonishing. Over a full week, this watch has been running at a consistent +3 to +7 seconds per day. I honestly think I got a bit lucky here. If you're finding this kind of in-depth, honest analysis helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel. It's the best way to support this content and stay in the loop on amazing finds like this one. On the wrist is where it all comes together. The 39mm case and short 45.7mm lug-to-lug make it incredibly comfortable. At just 78 grams, you barely notice it's there. The watch comes on a soft 20mm leather strap that requires no break-in time. A pleasant surprise. My only minor critique is the lack of quick-release spring bars, which would have made strap changes easier. And trust me, this watch is a strap monster. Let's take a look at how this watch wears on a couple of different straps. So, is this Milifortic worth the money? Without a doubt, yes, you are getting a perfectly proportioned 39mm case, 100 meters of water resistance, a screw-down crown, a sapphire crystal with fantastic anti-reflective coating, a flawlessly executed dial with incredible hand alignment, and a reliable and accurate Seiko NH38 movement. The weaknesses are almost too small to mention. The loom duration isn't top tier and the strap could have quick release pins. That's it. For $136, the value proposition is simply off the charts. And on a personal note, my father has always liked pilot-style watches, so I'm actually going to give him this one. I think he'll really enjoy it. This isn't just another cheap homage. This is a genuinely great watch. It's a hidden gem that performs flawlessly and has earned a permanent spot in my collection. But what do you think? Does the Milifortic M111 redefine value for you? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep ticking and stay safe.